We use them to apply and blend our makeup, to pry dirt out of tight crevices, and to clean delicate objects. Cotton swabs are just one of those little things that are really handy to have around the house. Cotton swabs were invented in 1926 by Leo Gerstenzang, a Polish-born American. He got the idea from watching his wife clean out their baby's ears using a flimsy toothpick stuck into a piece of cotton. Leo set out to design a safer device. He took a thicker wooden stick, wrapped the ends with cotton in such a way that it wouldn't get stuck in the ear, and they've been a firm favourite ever since. Many cotton swab makers also produce cosmetic pads. Both start with bleached cotton. It arrives at the factory compressed in large bales. The cotton first goes into a machine called the feeder. From there, into a machine called the opener, which shreds the bales, pulling the cotton fibres apart. Next up is the carding machine. Its large rollers comb the cotton fibres out. Then, guided by weight-detecting sensors, the carding machine produces a uniformly thick ribbon of cotton called a web. This web is now ready to be processed into other cotton swabs or cosmetic pads. To make pads, several webs are layered together. Then pressure is applied to compress them. This recipe of layers and pressure is what ultimately determines the weight of the pad. The heavier it is, the higher the quality, because of its thickness. The now compressed layers of web go through a machine called the slitter. It cuts the wide roll into several narrower rolls, called header rolls. Each header roll then goes through a machine that stamps on a quilt-like pattern, purely for aesthetics. Finally, using a punching die, the pads are cut. On this production run, each pad weighs about 0.7 grams, but the factory can produce whatever weight the client requests. The cosmetic pads are ready to be packaged. The blue light shows the pad cut-off point. To make cotton swabs, the initial web is divided into 4 thinner webs, each weighing just 1.5 grams per metre. The web travels through a funnel, which transforms its shape from flat to round, then coils it into a barrel. The swab-making machine then takes cotton strands from 2 barrels at a time, feeding a line of cotton to each end of the stick. Like the cosmetic pads, the amount of cotton per stick varies according to the client's specifications. The stick feeder prepares the sticks. Then, as we see here in slow motion, the machine cuts the cotton strand and rolls a piece onto both ends of the stick simultaneously. Just prior, a heating device melted the tips of the plastic sticks so that the cotton would adhere. However, with wood or cardboard sticks, glue is used to stick the cotton on. The finished swabs are sprayed with an antibacterial solution. Here, it's played in slow motion. Now in real time, at 2,000 swabs per minute. Sensors detect any defective swabs and automatically discard them off the production line. Finally, a robotic arm grabs the exact number of swabs per box, predetermined by the customer's specs, and packages them. The company's lab does spot checks on its swabs to ensure that the antibacterial solution is working and that the products are germ-free. Good for you, even better for baby. We use them to apply and blend our makeup, to pry dirt out of tight crevices, and to clean delicate objects. Cotton swabs are just one of those little things that are really handy to have around the house. Cotton swabs were invented in 1926 by Leo Gerstenzang, a Polish-born American.